Exercise 3.5, question number 2, part 1. For which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have infinite number of solutions? And the two equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and second equation is a minus b x plus a plus b y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So these are the two linear equations in two variables, and we have to find the value of a and b, and the condition we are given that this pair of equations have infinite number of solutions. So first of all, we will convert these two equations in standard form. 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and a minus bx plus a plus by minus 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 0. I have brought the entire quantity this side, keeping them in bracket with minus sign. Now if we compare both the equations in the standard form here, we get by comparison we get a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 7, a2 is equal to a minus b, b2 is equal to a plus b, and c2 is equal to minus 3a plus b minus 2. Okay. Now, since the condition we are given that we have infinite number of solutions, so for infinite solutions, the conditions we have is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. This is the condition. Let's put the value in this condition. a1 is equal to 2 upon a2 is equal to a minus b is equal to b1 equal to 3 upon b2 is equal to a plus b is equal to c1 upon c2, c1 equal to minus 7 upon c2 is equal to minus 3a plus b minus 2. Here minus sign can be cancelled. Okay. Now to solve this, we will use the two parts one by one. First we will take these two, then we will take these two, or you can take these two also. Okay. So I will take these two first, and then I will take these two, as all three are equal. So if 2 upon a minus b is equal to 3 upon a plus b, that means by cross multiply 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b. This into this is equal to this into this. Okay. So multiplying 2 inside the bracket and 3 inside the bracket, we get 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. That implies we will bring 3b this side and 2a that side. So 2b plus 3b is equal to 3a minus 2a. That implies 5b is equal to a. Let us use this as equation number 1 because this relation will be useful in solving second part. Again, we will use now the second relation, which is 3 upon a plus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Minus sign already we have cancelled. That implies, once again cross multiply, 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into a plus b. So 3 into, now we are going to use equation number 1 and in place of a you will put 5b. So 3 into 5b plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into 5b plus b. That implies 3 into 15b plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into 5b plus b is 6b. That implies 3 into 15b plus b is 16b minus 2 is equal to 7 into 6b is 42b. That implies, multiplying 3 inside the bracket, 48b minus 6 is equal to 42b. That implies 48b minus 42b is equal to 6. That implies 6b is equal to 6. That implies b is equal to 6 upon 6. Therefore, b is equal to 1. Okay. Now let's put the value of b in equation number 1. Also, by equation number 1 we have 5b is equal to a. So 5 into 1 is equal to a. That means a is equal to 5. So the answer is a is equal to 5, b is equal to 1.